how to use your MacBook reminders app so that you can make your to-do list very efficiently. So here I'm going to open the reminders app, and here you can see automatically created is a list called reminders, which is fine. So I have also taken away a list over here which is generally today because I didn't need it, but I will show you how to create one as well. Well, reminders, right? Take medicine, make videos, edit videos. This can be your to-do list, right? Get groceries. All this can come under reminders. But if you were to make different lists so that you can organize your work and you can figure out, but what if you make multiple lists that help you be more efficient? So that is what we are going to do today. Instead of these reminders, I'm going to delete them for now and clear. So I'm going to create multiple lists, right? So let's say I am going to make a standard list of my Mac talk, what I need to do about my channel, what I'm supposed to do, all that. So I can also change its icon. I'll say laptop because this after all is a Mac channel. I'm going to click OK and a list has been created. So now I'm going to create a list. I'm going to create edits that I need to make to my video, a topic, topic outlines, and so on, right? And then I also need to do some SEO on the video, correct? So all this could come under one group. I don't need to have multiple lists for this. So I'm going to make it more efficient. I'm just going to drop this list over another list and it's going to create a group. Now I'm going to name it my Mac talk and add things on there. So then I can also go ahead and add finances to the list. So here you can see I've created multiple checklists, but do your taxes, and then I'm also listing the tasks I need to do while doing my taxes, right? So I can come to the title of this and press command plus outside square bracket and it's going to create a tab effect. I can also move these checkboxes around, so it's very efficient as well. I can move them about and there you go. I have now created do your taxes checklist. I can also add to this. I'm going to say savings, investments, and so on, right? So these are my finances. Let's add another list which could go to, let's say, birthdays. I'm going to add mom's birthday, dad's birthday. So here you can see I've added mom's birthday and dad's birthday. Note that I have not added any kind of date over here. So I can go ahead and add a date. So let's say I'm just going to add a custom date, any random date actually, and hit enter. Same with, let's say, this weekend, and I'm going to add it as well. So here you can see we have it in the scheduled, so the birthdays are coming up. But then again, this looks a bit untidy, and also birthdays does not have an emoji to it. So I am again going to drop this list over to finances and I am going to say personal. Then I'll create another list. This is going to be a smart list. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to say add list. I'm going to say today so that I know what I'm supposed to focus on today. Focus. So here you can see I've added an icon as well. Go to list type, select smart list, and over here I'm going to select tags. So date I'm going to select today and include past due dates as well. Add another thing, I'm going to add flags. So I will show you how to use flags as well and select OK. So I'm going to take today and then I'm going to right click it and say pin list. I'm going to take it to the top so that I know what to do. So reminders could again be your priorities. So anything that comes up, you can just move it. So in reminders here you can see we have all the things. So it could act as your inbox. You can also call it inbox. So I am going to say get broccoli. So here you can see I've put in broccoli as well. So that could go to a grocery list. I'm going to add a list for groceries. Food. So I've created another list. I'm going to add it to personal. Under groceries, I'm going to get this to do and drop it right over here. So I've added groceries for today, and if I were to flag it, for example, so I can just go ahead and right click and flag. So it's going to get flagged as well. So this is something I want to work on priority. Let's say getting broccoli is a priority. I could go to SEO. I could just add tags, for example, and I could add this to due date, and due date is today as well. And here you can see under flagged as well, because we had added get broccolis, SEO, I'm going to flag as well, and there you go, it's flagged as well, and it's gotten added to today as well. So these are the tasks that I need to do on priority today itself. So in edits as well, I would say make cuts, then I could add effects, add text, use. So all that I have added as well, but it's not given a due date, right? So let's say in finances, I am doing the taxes, I've done everything. So what happens here is you can actually delete this, but it will never show as completed. So if it is completed, it's automatically going to get deleted, the entire thing, rather than it just being on all or something like that. And here you can see it will automatically go in completed. But if I were to not create this tab, so under do your taxes, I have these three things. If I were to not do it, it will probably get deleted automatically, and it will make you lose track of what you're doing. So that is why we created that indent, and underneath do your taxes, we've added these three things. So guys, that was some basics of reminders application, how to organize your to-do list. Hopefully it's been helpful. If it has been, do drop a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.